Hey, it's Skippy. How you doing? Here I'm just going to cut a square hole. It's covered by the vanity, so I don't have to be super accurate. Just a square hole. For a DIY, I recommend you transfer your marks over. I'm just showing off. I've been doing it for a while. And there you have it. But for the DIY, transfer your marks to the back and then it's a lot easier. But yeah, I was only showing off, people. Sorry about that. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Subscribe. I can teach you a lot that I've learned over the years. I can pass it all, well, I am passing it all on to you people. If you care to subscribe to my channel, I bring out 2 videos a day, a short in the morning and a video at night. Okay, we'll catch up with you soon. See ya. Bye.